from a technical perspective, our team was looking at the meta problem of authorization and how do we deal with that issue of, we have subscriptions to trucks from different companies and people within those companies. How do I sort of solve that issue of, based on the person or the credential or the application? How do I, on a data basis, how can I use the data to sort of drive that authorization decision? And how can we do that in a performant way? And we're really, kind of hitting our head against the wall in terms of forcing that into a traditional, groups and roles type of scenario, and how do you maintain that over time? With IndyKite and sort of a graph approach, it really fit the problem that we're trying to solve, and allows us to sort of integrate our trusted data feeds into IndyKite to continue to maintain that set of metadata, that set of data that we can then drive those authorization decisions. Again, didn't find that elsewhere. To a lot of different folks in the market, your competitors, but again, was really challenged to find something that we could hydrate and continue to maintain on an ongoing basis. So excited with what you guys are doing, and I think that you're on the right path.